Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Berkeley County and the Panhandle of West Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenwood, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Inwood, Stevenson, Brucetown, Waiteville, Glengarry, Jarrettstown, Cedar Hill, Clear Brook, Ridgeway, and Bunker Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Let's have an excerpt for Cassie WX.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia until 10:30 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Capon Bridge, Lakeview, Highview, Yellow Spring, Rock Enon Springs, Timber Ridge, Gore, Delray, Whitaker, Highview Manor. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
That was late.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for
Okay,
central
let's have an
Frederick
excerpt.
County.
Frederick Cassie WX signing out.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Fort County in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northern in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, southern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia, east central Hardy County in eastern West Virginia until 11:30 p.m. in eastern West through 23 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Hazard, impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Royal, Stroudsburg, Woodstock, Stephen City, Stocanery, Middletown, Marinetown, Tom's Brook, Beechers Hill, Gravel Springs, Clary, Hill City, Alonzoville, Fort Valley, Capon Springs, Miles Acres, Berlin, Barnstable, Perry, Riverside. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Perry, Riverside. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood weather radio hours. Station KHB 36. Broadcasting from the National Weather. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia until 10:30 p.m.
Let's have an excerpt. Frederick Cassie WX signing out.
will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could near those outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Roadways delayed, power outages are possible. Unsecured light outages may become volatile. Locations of access include Goldale, Brigham, Stevensburg, Randy Station, Lake Goldale, Riversville, Bridgeville, Locust Road, Goldbank, Louisville, Rivet Run, and Rocky Run. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now.
What's up next? Frederick Cassie WX signing out. Considerable.
Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Orange County and central Virginia.
A tornado warning out of where they come from. There's not even this is a teaser bridge.
South central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, west central Stafford County in northern Virginia, east central Madison County in northwestern Virginia until 1 a.m. At 9:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warm area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Culpeper, Madison, Glenwood, Remington, Stevensburg, Grafton Ford, Brandy Station, Wheatland, Whitman, Birch Hill, Elkwood, Talpa, Atlantis, Mitchells, Cordova, Glen Run, Lake of the Woods, Richardsville, Sumurda, Forbesville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Double hammer.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Orange County and central Virginia, north central Spotsylvania County and central Virginia until 10:45 p.m. At 9:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles northwest of Spotsylvania, Oregon, 14 miles west of Fredericksburg, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Most random COO.
Impact: photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Orange and north central Spotsylvania counties, including the following locations: Lake of the Woods, Chancellorsville, Cooktown, Parker, and Flood Run. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Now for the National Weather Service Marine forecast for the tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Smith Point. Tonight, east wind 5 to 10 knots. Wait.
Wow. That was the most random LWXTOR I've ever seen. In a T-stum risk. In a freaking T-stum risk. That's the thing. This is not even your regular average. Okay, slight risk. This was like a 2% tornado risk. No. This was in a T-stum risk. It's not even a marginal, it's not even a slight T-stum. That's a 0 out of 5 risk for severe thunderstorms. and yet one of them decided to become tornadic. Wow, interesting. Until the next over, Frederick County WX signing out. A. Oh no. I think they're doing another one.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County in northern Virginia, northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, western King George County in central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Spotsylvania, Oregon, 14 miles west of Fredericksburg, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Fredericksburg, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Falmouth, Paxton, Stones Corner, Booker's Grove, Snell, Flat Run, Thornburg, White Oak, Dunalvin, Lake of the Woods, Cooktown, Leland, Parker, Spring Valley, Alsouth, Goldale, and Chancellorsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. For the National Weather Service Marine Forecast for the tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to...
Okay, until the next over, Frederick County WX. Signing out.
County in northern Virginia until 1:45 a.m. At 10:32 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warm area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warrington, Bealton, Opal, Catholic, Talbot, Midland, Casanova, Lawrence, Bristersburg, Turnbull, Summerhill, Jefferson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County and northern Virginia from the National Weather Service. Flood watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Flooding caused by excessive...
Okay, until the next story, Frederick County WX.
Oh no.
radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard or flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Intact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stafford, Fredericksburg, Aquia Creek, Potomac Creek, Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, Elm, Aquia Quincy, Holly Corner, Hartwood, Bolivia, Spring Valley, Ramble, Leland, Burlington, Roseville, Cooktown, Evelyn, Alpine, Stones Corner, Tree Round, Don't Drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County and northern Virginia, northeastern Orange County, and central until 11:30 p.m. this evening for northern Shenandoah and northwestern Warren counties. At 9:53 p.m., emergency management reported multiple roads closed due to flash flooding.
Okay, until the next start, Frederick County.